Hello, I'm Joseph Darby, working for Nottingham City Council, and today we are having a look at a two-port valve. It's a heating and hot water valve. This valve opens when you are asking for heat on the controls downstairs, and mechanically it has failed. If you just follow me. This is a district heating board. This district heating board is between 10 and 14 bars of pressure, so it has to be in steel, malleable steel, 1/2 inch. Before I start, I'm obviously wearing safety boots, just in case of anything hitting me. These pipes are lagged, so no jumper is okay to not wear. Today I am looking at this valve here. This valve has failed. The motor, the synchro motor inside, has burnt out. And let's have a look. Before we start all that, I go through a site risk assessment and method statement. I then have a look at what I need to do. I am working with existing pipework, live pipework. No adverse weather conditions. Chemical substances, no. Explosions, no. Transports from on site, no. Tripping and slipping is always on there. Storage and stacking, I'm not. Radiation sources, no. Confined spaces, it is a confined space, but it is very minimal. Fire and electricity, I am working with electric, as this is an electrical component, so I'll be doing that. So let me just finish this quickly. And then my scope of work is a diagnosis and quote for a new valve. My risk is low, and then I have signed myself to be deemed responsible for my actions, and I have taken safety precautions to do so to prevent myself from injuring myself. I'm now going to electrically isolate, so that is done. Fuse to be taken out, just in case anyone wants to turn it back on. As you can see, I can tell that obviously I've checked that the motor's burnt, and it is. And what I'm doing, I am also checking the armature on this is opening correctly. If this is not opening correctly, it means that this part is seized. And I'm using this computer, a flow meter, to look at litres per hour that this is flowing through to create water to the cylinder so that it's hot. At the moment I've got it on 0, so locked off. I'm going to open fully with my spanner on the armature. Now it's only working at not even half or not even a quarter of its rate, which means that this body in here, the armature, is seized and requires a new valve. I'm safe to say that this lady needs a new 2-port valve and is going to be quoted doing so. Otherwise, her hot water will not become hot from the cylinder coil. So, putting safety, putting electric back to an isolate, and I will be replacing valve if quote is accepted.